Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tarasi. I am going to be leading your word building lesson for today. So, there's going to be two parts to this word building lesson. The first part is just you and me here. You don't need any supplies. I just want your attention, your focus, and your good listening ears. So, we're going to start, as we start our word building lessons, with some phonemic awareness. What's that mean? That means sounds. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a word in phonemes or sounds, and then I'm going to say word, and I'm going to ask you to put the word together. Okay? Some of these words have sounds, some of them have three. The first has three. Ready? O, a, t. Word, lot. Hopefully you heard that and you said it with me. This one only has two. Ready? O, o. Word, low. O, a, b. Word, lob. This one has three. O, o. Word, slow. G, o, o. Word, glow. O, a. Word, lot. This one has four. B, o, a. T. Word, blot. B, o, o. Word, blow. A, t. Word, rot. Our last one is two. O. Word, row. Okay, so hopefully you heard from those words. Most of those have that O sound in them. So I'm going to introduce our sound spelling card for this week. All right, so I'm going to say some phrases and I want you just to repeat after. So I'll ask a question, just repeat it. I will say, well, I'm going to say, the card is open. Card, open. The sound is O. Sound, O. Now I'm going to introduce the other spellings that we've done and focus on today's spelling. The spelling is O, consonant E. Spelling, O, consonant E. The spelling is O-A. Spelling, O-A. This is for today. The spelling is O-W. Spelling, O-W. All right, so what we would normally do next would be word lines. But as you will see, a lot of these words have our focus sound at the end. You can't do word lines when the focus sound comes at the end. So what we're going to do instead is something called glass analysis. So this is how it works. I have a whiteboard here. I'm going to write a word. I'm going to ask you to tell me the word. I'll say the word is whatever, word, and have you read it. You can whisper, or you can say it aloud in a loud voice, in a regular voice. The point is I want you to say it out loud. Then I'll ask you some questions about it. For example, let me do an example. This is not going to be one of our words. All right, so this is an example. The word is cat. Word, and you'd say the word cat. I'd say then, in the word cat, what sound does the letter A say? You're going to answer, and I hope you answer. Ah. I'm going to answer with you after I give you a moment because I want to make sure you have it correct. But I do want you to answer. Check if your answer and my answer are the same. They should be. All right, let me go ahead and introduce those words. There's three. All right, boys and girls, this is the word low. Word. In the word low, what sound do the letters O-W make? O. In the word low, what two letters make the O sound? O-W. All right, boys and girls, this is the word blow. Word. In the word blow, what sound do the letters O-W make? O. In the word blow, what sound do the letters B-L make? Bull. In the word blow, what two letters make that blow sound? B-L. In the word blow, what two letters make the O sound? O-W. Okay, we have one more word. We need to pay attention to how our vowel sound changes. This is the word slot. Word, slot. In the word slot, what sound does the letter O make? Ah. In the word slot, what sound do the letters SL make? Sl. In the word slot, what letter makes the ah sound? The letter O. All right, nice job, boys and girls. So this is the end of part 1. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and gather your materials for word building. Mrs. Greiner shared a list of what letters you need today. You're also going to need a dictation paper, something to write with. So I want you to pause the video now, gather those materials, and I will see you back for part 2 of our word building video.